the accent practice sessions are live. So there's a founding member price of £7.50. That's approximately $10 per month. Just per month. You get a new accent every week. They range from standard British, British RP, Scottish, Welsh, you name it. There's a barrage of different accents. Basically, you get American and British every month, and then 2 different accents in between. So like Irish or Scottish, or the list goes on. So the link is in my bio. Go grab the founding member price of £7.50 or $10 about. And it's available at that price only until the 31st of August. And then it goes up to £10, so like a little bit more in US dollars.